Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. Today, we're going to show you how to use Predefined Export. Predefined Export lets you preset options such as the file format, whether to include record IDs, and whether to export only selected records. You can also define the export template and name. Let's try to do an export. As you can see, we need to define the format in which to export the file. We also need to toggle whether we want to export the record IDs, export only the selected records, set the template and name. There's a better way. You can predefine all these options. Edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. Scroll down until you see the Action section. Here, you can predefine all the options you need. Copy the configuration. Paste the config. Click Save. Click Back. Let's export again. Perfect. Now all the needed options are predefined, saving time and reducing errors. That's it. Thank you for watching.